And now, KMEG 14 News at Sunrise Talk of the Town, brought to you by CenturyLink.
Welcome back. An upcoming St. Luke's Spirit of Women event will give Siouxlanders tips on maintaining a healthy foundation, and even discussions about breast cancer screenings will take place. Dr. Rebecca Rose joins us for Talk of the Town. Good morning.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. Thanks for coming in this morning. Architecture of Living, how did the idea for this program originate?
I think it was just a conglomeration of the idea that we wanted to maintain a healthy foundation, and we thought, well, it'll be fun to do this at Plan Architecture. They've redesigned a building there, and so we're going to focus on that, but then I'm going to focus on breast cancer awareness, and Dr. Gago will focus on breast reconstruction. So it's all kind of trying to create a healthy foundation for ourselves. Sure.
A healthy foundation obviously has many parts. How did you decide that these were the ones to focus on?
Well, we are offering a new test, the BRCA test. It's not brand new, but it's now available in a novel form in which we can actually have women swish and swallow the test, or swish and swallow this.
Wow.
And so it's a lot easier than it used to be. It used to be a blood test. And so we just thought, well, let's make everyone aware of it, especially women who have a high risk of breast cancer. It's a gene testing.
Okay.
And so we just thought it'd be fun to do this and combine it with just maintaining a healthy foundation in general.
What does this specific screening exactly look for, and how does it work? You said it was a novel way to test for it now.
Yeah, it's looking for a gene that women who have familiar breast cancer have, called the BRCA1 and BRCA2 gene. And a subset of women, up to 5 to 10% of women who have breast cancer have this. And so these are the women that we're kind of trying to focus on that could benefit from this test.
So you say they swish and swallow, and then you're able to, how do you do the screening then once they've done that?
It goes off to the testing facility, and then they come back with, you know, the answer basically of whether you have this gene or not. And
wow.
If you have this gene, obviously your breast cancer risk goes way up.
Sure. You mentioned there's a couple other parts of a healthy foundation. What are some of the other things that will be taking place at this event?
Dr. Gallego will be talking about breast reconstruction.
Okay.
Because if someone tests positive for this particular gene, then they may want to consider surgical options
Sure.
that greatly reduce their risk. And then just to kind of make it fun, we're going to be doing this at Plan Architecture, and so they will be talking about their new building and interior design in general. So, you know, just kind of a fun way to kind of bring it all together.
Yeah. If people would like to show up, it's next Monday. How can they sign up or get involved?
They can just show up for the event, but we're also asking people to call ahead of time just so that we have an idea of how many will be there. Supposedly it is a little bit restricted in space.
Sure.
And so they can call us at 234-8725. If they're interested in getting pre-screening, they can do that as well.
Perfect. And this is happening Monday from 5:30 to 7:30, right?
Yeah, on September 19th, and it's free for all, and anyone's welcome to come.
Wonderful. Thank you, Doctor, for coming in this morning.
Thank you.
And if you missed this segment or you just like to watch it again, you can log on to our website, kmeg14.com/sunrise.